Yo, what is up, guys? It is Motovlog day, and I know it's kind of a weird place to start the Motovlog. As you can see, it looks dark, but actually, it's currently about 5:15 in the morning, and I am heading up there, boys. I'm heading to the mountains. Now, while I'm on the highway a little bit, I don't have my face cam on. Well, technically I have two face cams if you think about it, but I don't have my front-facing camera here on just because I can't even deal with it if something goes wrong anyway, and it's dark enough that where you probably won't even be able to see me really well. So what we're gonna do is head up into the mountains a little bit. This is about my only time to film. That's why I'm filming right now. You're probably like, well, what the hell are you doing up at 5:15 in the morning? First of all, I haven't been to sleep. Secondly, what is that? It's not a race, leave space. As the dude behind me is kind of on my ass. I wish you would read that sign. This is like my only time to film because if you live in Colorado, as you can see these wet ass roads right here, we have had state record, I mean record rains, like bad, for like the past 4 days. It's been rain, 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 rain. And I noticed that there was a little bit of a chunk early this morning where there's going to be no rain. As you can see, there's no clouds in the sky. They haven't even formed yet, really. So that's why I'm out this early. And I thought, since it's getting that time of year where you're able to be out this early and not be freezing cold, it's about 50 degrees, so I'm chilling. It's not too bad at all. I did wear a bigger coat and bigger gloves just because, you know, it is a little bit chilly. 50 degrees is still kind of cold. I'm just, it's gonna be nice to have a little trip into the mountains super duper early in the morning. What's that say? Something's closed up here. Oh God, I hope it's not the road that I want. Coming this early, I hope we get to avoid traffic, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna be honest, I'm running this. Sorry, but I don't set that light off. I know I don't set that light off. Now, I am gonna pull over in a second and turn on my face cam. It's gonna be kind of annoying because the sun will be behind me, so that's a bummer, but we're gonna pull off in here real quick and set up the second camera angle. Oh God, it's finally that time of year, boys. It's warm enough. It's finally warm enough. Wow, look at this parking lot. It's like bricks. What the hell? Dude, that had to have taken so long. Oh, there's people coming down the mountain. That's a good sign. Oh God, okay. I'm too short. I gotta back this up by myself. Okay, hang on. Backing it up. Okay. Not like it matters. I'm literally the only one in this parking lot. All right. Ooh, that's kind of, I don't know how I feel about that. My kickstand could like kick up under one of these bricks. It's probably nothing too big to worry about. All right, just take this in, man. Moonshot. Look at that silhouette. Hold up. Thumbnail opportunity. Look at that. Okay, well, I have to take that picture. I literally have to take the picture. All right, I'm gonna take that picture, put it on Snapchat. If you want to see my Snapchats, add my Snapchat right here. It's always at the end of the video, but if you want to see some of the snaps I do on my adventures, add the snap. All right, I'm gonna take the picture and get my shit ready. Okay, boys, synced up. Hopefully this lasts a little while because pull-offs are kind of hard to find on this road, I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, one more shot, look at that. Wow, gosh, okay, all right, let's go. We can look later. Another reason I kind of wanted to give this road a shot is because I actually went to Lookout Mountain, yesterday, day before yesterday, one of the two, and oh man, I'm talking, this shit was out of a scary movie, dude. It was the coolest shit I've ever seen. I actually edited a little bit of my footage together so you guys can see it. It's like 2 minutes long, so if you don't want to watch it, then go ahead and skip 2 minutes. But if you do want to watch it, man, I recommend it. It is the coolest, man, it was some of the coolest shots I've ever taken. Now, mind you, none of the stuff you're about to see is color graded or edited visually in any way. This is how it was, straight from my eyes and the iPhone camera. So go ahead and take a look at that. as you can see, that is just nuts, dude. That is just nuts. And it was actually, I think it was right, there's one of the mountains up here that you can see it from. Now, I kind of wanted to chill and go slow, but there's a car behind me that's mobbing right now. What are you doing, brother? People are just in a hurry, I guess. It might have been, it's so hard to tell. As you saw in the footage, you could see where the cars were, and that's this road. I just don't slow down, fuck you. As you know, I don't know where it's at. And with this guy doing mock Jesus behind me, I want to have a chill ride, man. I don't want to go super quick. If I see a pull-off, I'm gonna take it. Probably should watch out for like elk and shit too, eh? It's kind of early. I don't know what time they start moving, but I imagine it would be early, right? Can y'all see this guy behind me? Dude, holy brother, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, man. You know, let your car warm up a little bit, dude. Oh my God, there's a waterfall right there. Oh my God, look at that. Holy, hold on, we're stopping there on the way back. Dude, oh my God, I want to go, I gotta let this guy get around me, dude. My brain is going a million miles a minute. There's another one. Yo, oh my gosh. Go, dude, for fuck's sake. God damn, look, he's even in the passing lane. Dude, they're both mobbing. Holy, dude. I just want to take in some beauty. Is that too much to ask for? Anybody else behind me, motherfuckers? No. Oh, yes. This. Oh, my God. I gotta open my visor. Sorry if it's a little windy. Oh, my God, there's another one. I wonder if that's due to all the rainwater. Like, look. Look at that. Dude, that is so beautiful. Oh my God. Here's a pull-off right here. I've actually pulled off at this pull-off in a video before. So we're gonna do it again. We're doing it again, boys. We're doing it. We're gonna park a little cockeyed like this. Like that. Oh yeah, look how high that water is. Ooh, almost just died on a rock. My nose is running a little bit. Oh, I'm getting boogers in my mouth. Oh, fuck. Dude, can you tell that it's been raining a lot? Like, a stick. Dude, it's been raining so bad. Like, so bad that it's like overflowing up, you know, those waterfalls you saw. Wow. Do we go under the bridge? I just stepped in a sinkhole. God dang it, did you see my footprint? I'm just scared somebody's sleeping under this bridge. I'm gonna come by and his Johnson's gonna be out or something, you know? I don't see anybody. That stick got caught. Now, this is a death trap. If I slide on this, dude, I'm dead. Oh, I just swallowed a fucking loogie. Let's try to, oh no, I almost just fell. I'm too short for this railing. All right, sink backed up. Damn, that's loud. He said, that was extremely loud. All right, hold on, let me fix my pants. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, handlebars are locked. Let me just go ahead and unlock those. Nothing like a little Honda for your tea in the morning. Okay. You know, I'm actually gonna tilt the camera a little bit more up so you guys can kind of see like the mountains and stuff. Oh, that's cool, a little cutout like that. That's wicked. Oh, here we go, another tunnel. Do we rip it through the tunnel? I think everybody knows the answer to that. Downshift. Here we go, you ready? I'll open the visor. Tunnel. My visor shut on me. Oh, we got another one. Another tunnel. Ooh, gotta pay attention. Oh, another waterfall. It is turned into the, oh shit, gotta pay attention. Dude, there are just literally waterfalls everywhere. Like that is, I've never seen so many. Here, you want a little quiet 30 seconds of what it's like to be me right now? Here you go, I'll give you a little ASMR. Just, I won't talk, just enjoy the view. You ready? Starting now. Isn't that just nice, dude? Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, I'm not gonna follow this road all the way up. I'm just gonna follow it. I think there's a parking lot that I pull off in every video I've made. A couple videos here. I've fished here with my brother. I've taken pictures here. I've made a couple videos of this parking lot, and I kind of want to, I'll probably just turn around there, because after that, there's really nothing much like past it, to be honest. Like the next thing you hit is Central City or Blackhawk, which is our like gambling town. Visor's fogging. Gotta. Oh. Can anybody explain to me why when I get air like that in my face, all of a sudden I gag? Is that normal, or am I just stupid? Don't come whipping around that corner, please. All right, we're chilling. Woo! Oh, fuck, I just hit a big ass rock and I almost jolted my handlebars. Can you guys see when I'm talking how foggy this shit gets? That shows you how kind of cold it is. Gotta open it, sorry. Look at this shit. Oh, God. I'm so excited. I love it. I love it. And when there's nobody here, it makes it even better. Oh, my God, just listen to the peace. Of course there's gonna be... See, look how fast this car is going. Like, dude. He is mobbing. She is mobbing. Oh, my God, you can see my breath. Watch. Okay, yeah. That crisp morning air. Let's go walk and take a couple pictures. Oh, I thought that was a motorcycle. All right, we're gonna go walk. Brother, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Actually, you guys want an exact time? It is 5:53 a.m. Oh, you like that background? I took it myself. Prospectors must adhere to all prospecting regulations. What are the prospecting regulations? Should we do a a digging for gold video? Hold on, look at that bike. Doesn't it just look so pretty all alone in that empty parking lot? Well, since we can see my breath, should we do a temperature check? Temperature check. 48 degrees. What's the real feel? You see all that rain in the forecast? What's the real feel? Feels like 45. I'm definitely not that cold, to be honest. Oh, these are cool. Like natural stepping stairs. Ooh, and almost died on them. Now, why would they say no tubing access, but then give you literally the most perfect tubing access you've ever seen in your entire life? Oh, I just stepped. God, dude, I just stepped in a big ass puddle. Oh, my shoes are soaked, dude. Gosh darn it. Ooh, almost missed the rock, too. Oh, do you think there's any animals drinking water from the creek? I don't see anything. God, wouldn't it be so cool, though? It'd be beautiful. Still overexposed. Dude! That metal is cold. Holy. Look at how the sun is just kissing the mountains out there. Oh my God, my visor is still completely fogged up. Why? Why is that not unfogged yet? Wait, do you see this? Why is this not defogged yet? Oh my God, I actually cannot see shit. I actually have some defogging stuff on it, so I wonder why that's not defogging. It should be. So now I'm on the lookout for those waterfalls. I gotta find some. Dude, this is so hard. Trying to look for waterfalls while I'm riding. This could be one. It is. And there's a perfect pull-off right here, boys. We waited on traffic a little bit. I don't see any more cars. Ah, fuck, there's a Jeep. All right, let's go, boys. Let's go. Any cars? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, boys. Oh, this is not the smartest idea. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is beautiful. There's cars coming. We gotta go. 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 Perfect timing. Yeah. All right, synced up. We gotta get the hell out of here before we get hit, boys. Oh, I dropped a glove. Of course I did. Oh, look at that. It's just like gold. Oh, can't look because I don't want to get mauled by this Jeep, but look at, it's just the perfect little gold crest of the mountain. Damn, was there a fire right here? All those trees look dead. Oh my, oh wow. Oh man. That is beautiful, dude. Wow. One more look at it. Oh man. I wish, like, I want to go up to it, like, and walk down to it, but I just been getting off my bike too much. My legs hurt, I'm not gonna lie. I think going there early in the morning like that is definitely the move. Like, definitely. It's kind of cool because we were kind of back hidden in the shadows, and now going a little bit down the mountain, like, look, it's starting to get really bright. You can see the sun on the mountains. Hopefully, as soon as we get out, it'll be toasty warm. I'm so excited for it to be warm. Oh my gosh. All right, well, people on Snapchat are getting a lot of stories today. Doesn't matter, nobody watches them anyway. Let's be real. I'm gonna shut off the bike this time. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, fuck. Damn, I love it. That is just so beautiful, bro. I would like to get a picture of the bike with the waterfall, but fuck, every time there's semis, dude. Every time there's semis. Oh, that's sick, dude. Oh, that's sick. Hi. Oh my God, there's another one right next to the road. I fucking hate myself. I have to. I literally have to. It's a requirement. Fuck. Dude, there's so many cars. It's so hard. All right. Fuck, dude. Okay. Fuck, dude. One shot for the camera. Look at that. All right. We got it, just in case. We got a backup thumbnail. Wow. That is so amazing. Wow, look how bright that is. It's just so, like, perfectly gold, man. Do you see all this water on my helmet? Where the hell did this come from? Was I getting splashed on by that waterfall? I am so blessed to have this, like, 6 minutes away from my house, dude. That's amazing. It's really the first time we've seen cars, too. Besides Lightning McQueen that was behind me in the first half of this video, huh? It's so weird seeing Colorado so green, but we've had so much rain. It's actually weird looking up and seeing green in Colorado. It's like crazy. I'll try to give you some pops. Oh, it's leaking. Okay, you ready? There. I hope you guys could hear those. Oh, we're getting ready to be blinded, boys. Uh-oh. As soon as we're around this corner, we are toast. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Where are my sunglasses? Holy crap. Dude, that just flashbanged the hell out of me. How bright is it without this? Oh, my gosh. How do people... Oh, my God. How do people see like that? Alright, boys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was probably a little bit of a short one because I only did like one road in and one road out, but that was so much fun. I'm filled with joy right now. I am so happy. I'm over the moon. I love waterfalls, mountains, and motorcycles. All 3 things I love, I got in one video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful ride with me. I really hope you did. I love bringing you guys along. So as always, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Bonus clip. What video this bonus clip is in, I have no idea because I haven't filmed that yet. So a little bit of a backstory. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow, I uploaded the video that you guys watched last week, my Going to Tiny Town video. I upload that tomorrow. But the reason I'm filming this little bonus clip, I may or may not have bought a new editing machine. And I gotta go pick it up. And I thought, well, it could be kind of fun to put a little bonus clip at the end of the vlog. Don't know what the vlog is, but as you can see, it's dog shit outside. So hopefully I don't die because somebody hydroplanes and crashes because it's Colorado and nobody knows how to drive. But it's just gonna be a little bonus clip, so I'll see you when we are picking up the new editing machine. All right, so we have arrived, and if you look, what's that logo on the door? Now, I would have filmed me going in there, but there's a QR code they need to scan, and it's on my phone. So here it is. This is it, boys. I bought the new Mac Mini. Why? Because I need a computer to edit on. Pull up with the grip out, automatic gear, hopping at the